excuse my language, anybody who watches this?
Fuck you guys. Parked right in the fucking... Look at this one spinning right here.
Yeah, we're not staying. Just keep going. We are not storm chasers.
No.
We are storm runners.
I felt bad just driving into this shit. Like, I gotta go get my family. And on the top of the hill, you can see where it's touching the ground, like here, where it's blowing up shit. And
What?
it's disappearing, but there's gonna be another one right here.